Hello, and welcome to week 3 of Creative Coding 1. Thank you for coming. I mean, you have to do it, but thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed week 2. I know we spread that over the course of 2 weeks. I'm really happy with that decision. It seems like it allowed a number of you to catch up with us as we looked at all of the different technologies that we're going to use throughout the course of this semester. I know a lot of that was kind of abstract as you figured out how you might use these things, and it didn't seem to relate to some of the work we're going to do because we haven't done any of that work yet. But today you'll start to see, or throughout the course of this week, you'll start to see how these techniques and tools that we looked at in week 1 and 2 will be used as we look at P5 and coding. This week, we're going to start to actually look at P5. We're going to explore what P5 is and how you can start to code with it. We're going to look at what an empty sketch is and how you can download one, and how you can view the work of a P5 sketch that you're writing in your browser. We're going to look at how we can read and search through P5 reference documentation for individual functions. And we're going to talk about what is a function, what are parameters, how do we define functions, how do we use functions, very cursorily. But we've got to start somewhere. In addition, we're going to look at how do you create a canvas. That's going to be the thing that we actually draw on in P5. We'll talk about how you can color the background of this canvas. Finally, we'll make a hello world sketch, which is kind of a rite of passage for anybody beginning to code. In any new language you ever start with, or anyone who starts to code for the first time, the first thing they do is write a hello world piece of code. And this essentially announces to the world through code, hello. And then we'll finally look at how do we take this code, upload it to GitHub, and create a live web page. So you can start to share your P5 work with your colleagues in this class, with me, with your friends, with your family, and with anyone else. There's a lot of content again this week. I hope you can work through it slowly over the course of the week. And if you have any questions, remember to post to the issues board, send me an email, or come by my office hours. And please remember to keep helping each other out. Enjoy the rest of the week.